Updating your email address on Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your device or access it through a web browser by visiting the Teams website. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Teams interface. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Access Account Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Account section. Here, you will find options related to your account information, including your email address. Step 4. Update email address. Locate the field displaying your current email address. Click on the edit icon of the field itself to enter your new email address. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the Settings menu. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email address is saved. Once you've completed these steps, your email address will be updated in Microsoft Teams. If you encounter any issues, consider checking your organization's IT support for assistance.